Hi, I'm Bea Stratton with Denver Water, and we're here at our Chipsbury facility to talk about an exciting new landscape transformation project with the City of Denver. This is Denver Water property in the city's right-of-way. The city's going to be planting climate-resilient plants in each spot where the red flags are, and Denver Water will be maintaining the property as it beautifies the front of our building and the neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Colin Bell. I'm with the City and County of Denver in DOTI's Division of Green Infrastructure. So here to my right, back in October, this was all turf grass from the sidewalk to the street, from one end to the other. And we saw this as a really good opportunity to do a green infrastructure project. Now, green infrastructure is living infrastructure that uses plants and soils to manage stormwater and mitigate the urban heat island. So how this green infrastructure works is when it rains, the rainwater lands on the street and it comes running down the gutter. Now, if the green infrastructure weren't here, the water would keep flowing down the street and enter the storm sewer at a regular storm sewer inlet. However, here, the stormwater is able to come in, turn the corner, and enter our green infrastructure facility where it flows down across this cobble and leaves at a similar kind of exit down there. When the water comes in, it traps all of this sediment and dirt that's loaded with pollutants here on the forebay and traps it here instead of it going to the sewer and ultimately to the South Platte. As water flows down through the swale, it slows how fast that water is moving and allows it to infiltrate and be absorbed by the soils where the plants can use it and the soils can filter out more pollution.
Hi, Carl Burkhart with the City and County of Denver's Division of Green Infrastructure. Today we're planting native grasses, native shrubs, and flowering perennials that are all going to contribute to biodiversity and water quality in the right-of-way. By climate appropriate, we really mean that these plants are adapted to our local climate here, the very dry with low water use. It's hard to see what the planters will look like now, but imagine a variety of species, heights, various colors, with purples, yellows, pinks, reds, and tall grasses, short grasses, with a lot of different variety and biodiversity packed through the planters.
This is an exciting project to help meet our landscape transformation goals of reducing non-functional turf in our service area and conserving water, in addition to all the other amazing benefits from these sorts of projects. To learn more, go to denverwater.org/conserve.